you our microscope project. A microscope is very useful scientific instrument. It is used to see the tiny objects that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Microscope is commonly used in school, hospitals and labs. In this project, we learn how the microscope works and why it is important in our life. Microscope is an optional instrument which we can use to see a tiny object like a cells, bacteria, small insect, loose part and fibers, etc. The word microscope comes from a Greek. Micro means small and scope means to see, means small things to see. Microscope use lens. Microscope use lens to make small objects appear bigger and clear. Microscope work with the help of lens. When the light passes through the lens, the object appear bigger and clear. Now I am doing show you the how it works. When the light passes through the lens, the object becomes clear and we see a clear object. We see the mark. Not we see a clear object because it is not artificial. We see a cells and margins on it. Application of microscope. Microscope is used in the school and colleges to study biology and science. We can observe tiny objects like cells, bacteria, loose part, insects, and fibers, etc. In the labs, we use for the research. Scientists use to research work. It increases the curiosity and it increases the curiosity in the science. Yeah, advantages of the microscope. We can see a very tiny objects clearly. In hospitals, doctor used to find a disease. Student used to study a science, and scientists used to study a microorganism. In the conclusion, microscope is a very important invention that help us to see the worlds of tiny living things. In this project, we learn how the microscope works and why it is important in our daily life. A simple microscope can also helpful for the learning of students in practical and better way. Thank you. Thank you for listening my project.
Very good.